everybody, I am Carolina from SJA Jeju, Kitchen of the World. Today we're gonna be cooking crepes from France, our favorite recipe of crepes. February 2nd is the day when everybody eats crepes in France. This dish was created in the 13th century in Brittany, France. Well, today we're gonna be cooking sweet crepes, but remember, you can also make salty dishes with this recipe. Let's get started. The ingredients for today's recipe are flour, eggs, milk, salt, blueberries, bananas, and Nutella. Take a bowl, and we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour. Here we have our measuring tools. So we check that we have the correct amount. 1 and 2. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. Some people like to do it with the fingers, that is totally okay, or we take like this. Now with a whisk, we give it a whisk to our ingredients and incorporate them. And now we're gonna need again our measuring cup and add water. We're gonna use 2 cups of water, but first we're gonna add only 1. So 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk you like. Some people don't do very well with regular milk. You can change it for almond milk or any one of your favorite. Here we're using whole milk. And of course, we're gonna need eggs. We're using 2 eggs. The whole egg. 1 and 2. A very important ingredient is vanilla. That is gonna add a wonderful smell. Ideally, we're gonna use 1 spoon of vanilla. And now we take back our whisk and we start incorporating all the ingredients slowly. And stir it up. Stir it up and start going with more energy until we create a smooth batter. Depending on the flour you are using, sometimes you need more water, but here it is perfect. Okay, so now that we are ready with this, we're gonna use this measuring cup, and this is a 1/4 cup, and we need to preheat our pan. Okay, our pan is hot. We're gonna add a little drop of oil, and with our measuring cup, we're gonna put the first. We need to be moving around, and if we need more, we just add a little bit more. Usually the first one is not the best, but we need to be patient and keep on going. We need a spatula, thin spatula, and when we see the borders already dry and maybe with a little bit of color, we can start moving a little bit. So we are getting ready to turn it over. Okay, so we have the golden color we want. This is going to be fast because it's a thin batter. We can turn it again and check how it's going on the other side. here we go. The second one is the shape is better. The second crepe, our shape is better. Now we can see a much better circle and also the color. Usually the first one is not our best, but don't be discouraged, keep on going. Every crepe is gonna get better. We can smell the vanilla, very nice. Okay, so now we're going to fill them in. We take one crepe and now we're going to add Nutella. It's not necessary to spread it in the whole crepe. We can do only the half of it because we're going to fold it only in two. And now we're going to add the banana. So we put this one aside. We need just few slices. This is enough. So we're going to add them here. This is a really nice combination. You also can put mango in it or any of your favorite fruits. Then we bend it like this and we fold it one more time. This is the way we're going to be filling our crepes. Now that we have one ready, we're going to present it in a nice plate. Let's see, how do we do this one? We are going to put some powdered chocolate. And now we present our crepe and we add some berries. And here we go. Here is our first presentation. Oh, I'm so glad you are with us today. So let's see, which one looks like your favorite? Can you tell me which one you like to try? That one? What about you? This one? Okay, so let's go. It's good? Yeah, excellent. So glad you like it. Well, you can have a lot of fun with crepes. So this recipe is easy, few ingredients, and you can enjoy with your family. So, excellent. Let's celebrate with crepes.